Vibrations. Good vibes.
For many, the noise level at work is far too high. Fortunately, there are solutions. Sound is vibrations bouncing around until something absorbs them. Upholstered furniture like this is really great at dampening sound. Open shelving with some stuff on it helps reduce echo. Just like that. Looks good, right? Something else that's good is a room where you can talk without disturbing others. Because a more pleasant noise level means less stress, headaches, and fatigue. We have plenty of solutions that handle the noise, so you and your colleagues don't have to. See how we can help you at AJ Products.